Hey guys! Today we're going to be doing some gardening. My mother-in-law gave me a bunch of plants, but she gave me a lot of little succulents, and I thought it would be a cute idea to get a big pot and put all of them in it, like a little tiny succulent garden like you see on fucking Pinterest and all that good stuff. Maybe put like a rock in there or some shells. Ooh, yeah. So create like a nice little garden and then put it by the front door, so that when people come to my house, it's like Pinterest. It's like, you know, a Pinterest home. Because that's what everybody wants.
They want a Pinterest house!
Alright, so let's get started. I recommend using gloves. I do not have any. I didn't go out and buy any. So, yeah, I'm just going to use my bare hands. But I recommend using gloves, so there's that disclaimer. I think it turned out pretty good. I think I should have maybe put more soil in it so that maybe it was like more flesh with like up here. I don't know. I might adjust it later. Maybe I'll kind of see how these all grow together and how big they get and then decide that later. The last thing, honestly, is just to figure out where to put it. I want to put it in front of the front door, but I don't know if it gets enough sunlight, so we'll have to figure that out. Can you not, kitten? No, Titus, you cannot come outside. Make sure to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments what you think I should name my little succulents. Oh, I think my husband's home. Let me know in the comments below if you have any name suggestions for my little succulents, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!